Today we talk about how can you figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, you click on this sign down here. So when you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on settings, you just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just come here to full screen table. So just click in this sign or this color, like you see color it's gone, that's mean here for screen table disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.